Quadratic expressions are represented in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. You won't see the a, b, and c in the quadratic. Instead, those letters help us identify the number connected to each of our terms. So when we talk about a, we really mean the number connected to the x squared. When we talk about b, we mean the number connected to the x. And when we talk about c, we mean the number at the end. Let's factor the quadratic x squared plus 5x minus 36. What's our a, b, and c here? Since there's not a number connected to the x squared, our a is just 1. The number by the x is 5, so our b is 5. And the number at the end is minus 36, or negative 36, so that's our c. When you factor a quadratic, the first step is to find two numbers that multiply to equal ac. Our a is 1 and our c is negative 36. 1 times negative 36 is negative 36. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply to equal negative 36. And these same numbers also have to add to equal our b term. Since our b is 5, the numbers that we're looking for have to add to equal 5. They also have to multiply to equal negative 36. Let's find these numbers. I'm going to make a list of numbers that multiply to equal negative 36. Then I'm going to look through my list and find out which pair of numbers will also add to equal 5. I know that 1 times negative 36 is negative 36, or negative 1 times positive 36 is negative 36. I know that 2 times negative 18 and negative 2 times 18 both equal negative 36. And then there's 3 times negative 12, negative 3 times 12, 4 times negative 9, negative 4 times 9, and then there's also 6 times negative 6. Okay, out of this list, can you find a pair of numbers that will add to give us our b term, which is 5? I notice that negative 4 plus 9 equals 5, so it looks like those are the numbers. We'll use negative 4 and 9. Okay, here's what to do with those numbers. We're going to rewrite this quadratic, and instead of using 5x, we'll use negative 4x and 9x, since negative 4x plus 9x equals 5x. When we rewrite it, it looks like this. All we did so far is replace our b term with the two numbers that we found. Okay, next, draw parentheses to group the first two terms together and the last two terms together. Then, pull out any common factors to outside of the parentheses. The common factor between x squared and negative 4x is x. So we'll write this as x times the group x minus 4. We're able to rewrite it this way because if you multiplied the x to both terms inside the parentheses, x times x would equal x squared, and x times negative 4 would equal negative 4x. So x squared minus 4x is the same thing as x times the group x minus 4. We're just rewriting it with the common factor x outside the parentheses. And we'll do the same thing to the other part. The common factor of 9x and negative 36 is 9. So we'll write this as 9 times x minus 4. The reason that works is because 9 times x would equal 9x, and 9 times negative 4 would equal negative 36. Okay, there's just one last step. Do you see how the x minus 4 is the same here and here? Okay, listen up because this is important. Think of the x minus 4 as a bag of groceries. If you had x bags of groceries and then you got 9 more bags of groceries, how many would you have altogether? You would have x plus 9 bags of groceries. We need to combine the terms of this expression in the same way that we just combined our bags of groceries together. Since the x minus 4 is the same, we can rewrite this as x minus 4 times x plus 9. And that's it. That's our final answer. We factored x squared plus 5x minus 36 to find that it's equivalent to x minus 4 times x plus 9. Did you know that there's actually a shortcut for this? There's a way to go straight from finding the numbers that we found, the negative 4 and 9, and to jump right to the answer. The shortcut works anytime your a term is 1. You just use this factored form and insert the numbers here, so you get x minus 4 times x plus 9, and that's the final answer. Easy, right? But don't be too mad that we walked through the long method of solving it. You'll actually need to know that long method when you factor quadratics with an a term that's not 1. If you'd like to see how to do that, check out my other videos on factoring. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more math videos.